Here is about a binomial distribution. In the binomial experiment, the number of successes x is the sum of the outcomes from n independent Bernoulli trials, and it's called the binomial random variable. Here is a distribution formula for binomial distribution. In this formula, x is said to follow a binomial distribution with the parameters n and p. And this is the probability density function of this distribution. In this formula, the C and X is the combination. It means the number of ways of choosing X items out of N atom is. So the N must be bigger than X. Okay, let's see how to find the combination in Excel. For example, the number of ways of choosing 8 numbers out of 66 equal the number is 66 is the total number, and the number chosen is 8, and press enter. We can get the result. And next, we will see how to use binomial distribution to solve questions in Excel. The example is from your lecture slides, so if you haven't read it before, you can pause this video and read it first. The question is find the probability that at least 9 customers did not use a credit card. We should notice that it's the probability of did not use, and we already know the probability of the customer making a purchase use a credit card is 30%. So the probability of did not use will be 70%. And this is the process. So we need to find the probability of x bigger or equal 9. So we need to find the probability of x smaller or equal to 8. Equal the number is x, so it should be 8. And the trials is the total number of customer. It's 20. The probability, we should notice that it should be 70%. And we want it to be cumulative, so we press 1 and then press enter. We can get the probability of x smaller or equal to 8. Then we need to remember we also need to use 1 minus this to get the final result. And that is the answer of this question. Thank you.